3, 2, 1, launch. Oh!
Bento-style lunchboxes are compartmentalized containers inspired by the Japanese bento, single-serving, portable lunch containers that some sources date back to the 12th century. Traditionally, they would hold pickled vegetables, rice, and fish or meat, but nowadays they hold all different kinds of things.
Yeah, with their multiple compartments and fairly compact size, they're a great choice for carrying food. So we found 6 models. They're widely available. They come in different sizes, and they're all priced under $40.
We tested lunchboxes made of both metal and plastic with some significant design differences.
Yeah, we rated them in 3 categories: capacity, ease of use, and durability. We did weeks of testing, and we also sent them home with staffers to use for their lunches and report back. So let's check out the highlights.
We're in round 1, capacity, and we have our test lunch here.
All right, I am already seeing a little bit of a problem here. Sandwich this big, hole that big, not the same thing. I don't know how this is gonna work. I've got this cutie pie. It has a rubber band here and 2 compartments.
Yeah, it looks like our whole sandwich will fit nicely in there. Should we do veggies and desserts separate?
Yeah, we'll put all the healthy stuff out there in the outer pen where it can't get us.
Oh, it's like a Russian doll.
It is. It's really literally 3 in 1. All right, once you get that in, your grapes are gonna get smashed. It kind of barely fits. Okay, so this is part of our test where we test if they're leak proof. And we're gonna add water to the box and we're gonna shake it all around. Okay, that's not good. If I'm stepping back, I'm getting all wet.
All right.
Pretty good.
It's awesome. I'm afraid.
This is just water.
Oh, okay, okay.
So far, so
Oh, there she goes.
Yeah, okay, that's a no. That's not leak proof. Woo!
We're also going to do a salad test. We've got some greens and some dressing. So we're going to see how they fit, and then we're going to do our little twisty-turny test with the salad dressing. Yeah, let's shake it around.
I'm standing back just in case.
Oh!
All right, not good.
So,
yeah.
Ooh, geez. So I'm going to stir this around like I'm trying to disperse the dressing a little bit. Oh, geez.
Okay. Again, I'm standing back. I want like a raincoat with this one. I don't want to be standing next to it.
I'm making a mess today. All right, so we're going to do the salad test with the Bento.
I don't feel like I better run away or get a raincoat or something. This is good.
Staying dry.
So far, so good.
I'm going to try to eat out of there, see what the user experience is like.
You know, I like it. It has high sides. I don't feel like this is going to like fall out and end up in my lap or something if I'm eating at my desk.
Oh,
okay.
Oh, geez. Good thing I was going that way.
That's a mess.
During this round, we not only wanted to see if the containers could hold our test lunch, we also wanted to see if they could retain liquids.
These boxes ranged in capacity from 3 2/3 to 8 cups. Now inside each one, we attempted to fit a reasonably sized lunch.
About half of the containers could hold all of the food we wanted them to, but only one was truly leak-proof. All right, on to our next round, ease of use.
For ease of use, we're gonna open and close each container a bunch of times. In our testing, we did each one 3 times. We had different users do the same. And so we're gonna learn about how easy they are to assemble and disassemble.
So it's a little tight to take them off and on, but this was also the only one that didn't leak in our testing.
Yeah.
So I think that's forgivable if it gets you a clean backpack.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts.
8 parts. That's a lot to wash.
Fork, knife. This is a little fussy. I feel like they're not kind of going back exactly. It's like whack-a-mole. You push in the fork and then the spoon hops out. It feels like it's not really on.
I know, that's what I was squeezing it. It doesn't feel like.
It kind of has like a trampoline
There's a little bit
feel
of
in
give
there. There's
to
like
it. Yeah. We have the takanaka here. Great colors.
The compartment inside.
Super easy to take apart. Very simple, streamlined design. We have the Eco 3-in-1 lunchbox. They come apart pretty easily, but that might also be because, you know, this was the only one to leak in our water and salad dressing test, so coming apart easily might not actually be a good thing.
In this round, we looked at the configuration of the lunchboxes and how easy they were to open and close.
All right, now let's go on to our third round, durability. So we have a pretty gross staining and odor retention test here. We have turmeric, blueberries, and sardines packed in tomatoes. And we are gonna mash this all up together in these containers, leave it in there for a while, wash them out, and then see if the turmeric has stained, if the blueberries and the turmeric have stained color and odor-wise.
This is the skater. Okay, that is kind of horrible.
Oh, God.
Look at the lid too. It's like all over the lid. It has all these little ribs, and it used to be white. Oof. All right, I'm gonna throw this stuff away, and then we're gonna try to wash it.
It did eventually get white again, but it took a lot of work, and it's a little fishy. Yeah, this one is kind of nice in that it has a really simple design. Like, there aren't nooks and crannies where water is gonna get stuck.
You know, one thing I really like about this, aside from the fact that it doesn't smell, we didn't get a blotchy orange stain in our beautiful pink container. It's clean again, and it looks brand new. Really, you wouldn't know anything had been in there.
I think I smell turmeric
it's
a
like
little
a
bit still.
really lovely mix of fish, turmeric, and dish soap.
All right, it doesn't have a ton of parts, which I like. The black interior makes it hard to see if it's clean or not with something that really stains like turmeric. But it has clean, simple lines that still coming off.
Yep.
We're gonna do a durability test. We're gonna shove these things off of this counter right here. This is to, replicate if you drop one off your kitchen counter at home.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh, disaster strikes.
But the lid that holds the chopsticks is cracked. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no.
Oh, there's a hole in it. Oh,
We
destroyed.
killed him.
I know. Here's this
Oh
like
my
random little
gosh. Tragedy.
lunch. Hey, I did not hear a crack. And you know what?
This is intact.
This is intact.
Oh, look at
And
that.
these lids-
They didn't even open.
And it didn't even open. The top stayed on, so anything you drop in there is still going to be in there. It's just on the ground. You pick it up and you keep going.
Look at
Put
that.
the little belt on and hit the road.
We definitely found varying results with physical durability, cleanup, and odor retention. But at the end of the third round, a clear winner emerged. Lisa?
The Bento MB Square. Cost about $27. It held the most food, was the most durable, and it also had the most flexible configuration, so you can bring whatever food you like to eat.
And if pink isn't your color, don't worry because it comes in a lot of different colors.
For more info on our winner and the other products we tested, check out the links below.
Don't be a stranger. Hit us up with your equipment questions in the comments and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.